Now student, we are going to discuss this question, and in this question it is given to you, this is question number 7.10. Question is given to you, a radio can tune over the frequency range of a portion of medium wave broadcast band and 800 kHz to 1200 kHz. Fine. If an LC circuit has an effective inductance of 200 microhenry, what must be range of its variable capacitor? Clear? Actually, one important term is given to you. It is given here because this is a radio. Clear? So in radio we always whenever we change some value, like let's suppose if I am talking about 92.5, 92.7, 94.3 my FM. So if you are actually tuning this radio station, at that time there is one condition, that the frequency of circuit, it should be equal to frequency of source. Clear? It means whenever you find resonance, so in resonance condition, what is value of omega? Omega value is given 1 upon under root of LC. Clear? But here it is given to you, this is frequency and in hertz. So I can say frequency, this is given by 1 upon 2 pi under root of 1 upon LC. Clear? I can say this is equal to what? 1 upon 2 pi multiply 1 upon under root of LC. So frequency we can say this is equal to 1 upon 2 pi and directly we can say 1 upon under root of LC. Clear to everyone? Clear? So now my objective here is to find value of C. So I can say we can write like this, F square, this is given by 1 upon 4 pi square LC. Clear? So from here can we write here value of C? Yes. I can say this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi square. Clear? I can say that is F square. Clear? And it is multiplied with what? That is L. Clear? Now we know here we are having different frequencies, so we can put here values of all frequency. First I am writing here F1 equal to 800 kilohertz. It means I can write this is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 5 hertz. Clear? So at the time we can say value of C we are getting 1 upon C multiply pi square multiply F square. F square means we can say 8 multiply 8 into 10 to the power 10. Clear? And it is multiplied with, I can say capital L. Clear? Capital L is given to you, that is 200 microhenry. Clear? So this is 200 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? So from here we can say value of C1, this is given by 1 upon 4 multiply 10 multiply 64 into, I can say this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 and 10 to the power 6. Clear? Yes or no? So from here you can say, and how can we calculate? This is actually we can say 132 multiply 4. Clear? Or we can say this is 1 upon 132 multiply 4. 132 multiply 4 equal to what? We can say that is 8, 12 and we have 1, 528. Clear? So I can write like this, this is 528 and multiply 10 to the power minus we can say 7. Clear? Clear? Now can I write like this, this is equal to, if I multiply here with 1000 into 1000, means that if I am multiplying here we can say, just a minute, I am multiplying here 10 to the power 5 in denominator and numerator. Clear? Because it is necessary for question. So I can say we can say 10 to the power 5 in numerator and 10 to the power 5 in denominator. Clear? So let's suppose I am assuming this is to be near about 500. Clear? So 1000 divided by 500, near about I am saying. So approximately you can say this value is you are getting near about 2. Clear? Or definitely you will get some less value. So I am saying this is, let's suppose 1.95. Clear? 1.95, and now you can say this is what 1.95. I can say this is 10 to the power 3. Clear? 10 to the power 3. So or you can say actually like this. Okay, no problem. This is equal to 1.95 into 10 to the power minus 10. Clear? And we are getting this value in farad. So can we convert this value in picofarad? Yes. So value of C1 we are getting here 1.95. Clear? Multiplied with 100 and multiplied with 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Clear? So we can say this is value 195 into 10 to the power minus 12. So we can say C1, this is given by 195 picofarad. Clear? So we are getting this value of capacitance for this frequency range. Clear? Now, so now we can say actually can we get here, can we calculate here for the same for the next one? Yes, I am writing this value first here, because so that we can say here what about the frequency range, I mean what about capacitance range. Clear? Value of C1, this is equal to 195 picofarad. Clear? Now listen carefully. Now here we will apply same formula. Clear? Same formula, but only I just change here about frequency. Clear? Frequency in this question is given to you 12 kilohertz. Clear? So I can say this is equal to 1200 into 10 to the power 3 hertz. So instead of 8 here I will write that is 12. Yes or no? Or you can say if we again do here some calculation, better if we do here calculation again, just a minute. Yes, we can do here again this calculation. So yes, so I think concept is definitely clear to you. What is the concept here? Concept is very simple. Here we will apply this formula and we will get our value. Clear? So now we can say value of C2. Value of C2, this is given by, I can say 1 upon 4, I can say pi square near about 10. Clear? F. I can say this is 12 into 10 to the power 5 into 12 into 10 to the power 5, and what about L? L is given in this question 200 microhenry. So 200 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? So now from here we can see value of C2. Value of C2 is equal to what? 1 upon. Clear? 1 upon, I can say 4 multiply 12. 4 multiply 12 into 10 to the power 6 into 12 into 10 to the power 5. Clear? Multiply, I can say this is 2 into multiply 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? So now we can say this one is what? That is 10. Clear? So if you multiply it, I can say this is 10 I am taking here. Clear? So 12 multiply 4, I can say 48 multiply. Clear? Here we have 12 multiply 2, this is 24 multiply, I can say this is 10 to the power 7. Clear? So now from here we can write like this, value of C2, that you are getting 24 into, actually you can write 24 into 24. So we can say that is 576. Clear? So directly I am saying this is 2 multiply 576. Clear? And this is equal to 10 to the power 7. Clear? Now what I am doing here, I am multiplying with 10 to the power 5 and dividing with 10 to the power 5. Clear? So I can say 10 to the power 5 divided by 2 into 576 into 10 to the power 12. Clear? Now I can break here 10 to the power 5 in 2 terms. Clear? I am writing here, instead of 10 to the power 5, this is equal to 1000 multiplied with 100. Clear? So now we can say this is equal to what? Near about, yes, definitely I can say this is not 2. So let's suppose this is near about 600. So 600 means we will get here 1.33. So I am saying this is near about 1.3. Clear? So we can say this is equal to what? 0.65. Clear? So now we can say we are getting here 65 picofarad. Clear? So now we can say for a given frequency range we are getting capacitive range. Capacitive range, that is equal to what? I can say C2 we are getting, this is 65 picofarad. So we are getting range from C1 to C2 to C1. Clear? And what is our range? From 65 picofarad to 195 picofarad. Clear? So this is all about this question.